Hey mamas and food lovers! Welcome back to the channel, where we turn everyday recipes into nourishing delights. Today, we're baking a lactation carrot cake that's not only delicious, but packed with milk-boosting goodness. And guess what? We're elevating a humble premix into something truly special. Let's get baking. Start by grating 1 to 2 fresh carrots. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which supports postpartum healing and boosts immunity. Perfect for moms with newborns. In a large bowl, add 400 g of whole wheat carrot cake premix. Toss in 1.5 cups of your grated carrots and give it a gentle mix. Egg. Now crack in 2 whole eggs, add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. And pour in 1/3 cup vegetable oil. Add your veggie mix. This is where the magic starts. Time to power up with our granola mix. Add a handful of almonds, cashews, pumpkin seeds, goji berries, golden sultanas, and sunflower seeds. Baby bottle health trivia. Almonds and cashews are rich in healthy fats and magnesium, great for milk production. Pumpkin seeds are loaded with zinc, which helps regulate hormones. Goji berries and sultanas add antioxidants and natural sweetness. Sunflower seeds, packed with vitamin E for skin recovery post-birth. Sheaf of rice, whole grain oats, and granola are a galactagogue, meaning they help stimulate milk supply. So yes, this cake is a snack and a support system. Add in a handful of raisins and dark chocolate chips. Raisins give natural energy and dark chocolate, a mood booster for sleep-deprived moms. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Transfer the batter into a baking dish or cake mold. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Let the cake cool on a wire rack. You can serve it freshly baked or chill it for a firmer slice. Either way, it's a win. And there you have it, your upgraded lactation carrot cake. Perfect for snack time, tea time, or any time you need a little boost. And if you're a new mom, remember, nourishing yourself is part of nourishing your baby. You deserve treats that love you back. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a mama who needs a little sweetness in her day. See you next time.